This is Leap Agility Scent Work Trial, Saturday, August 23rd, Somers, Connecticut. This was our master exterior search. Our yellow dots were the start line. We had purple dots here as boundaries. The entire wooden fence line all the way down to the boundaries on the far end was in play, as was the iron gate. Both booths were in play, as well as the white fence in between our boundary markers. There were 3 hides in this search. Competitors had 5 minutes. The first hide was inaccessible inside this cabinet. The odor collected very nicely in here, did come through an opening in the back for the conduit pipe, so anything around this outlet was considered to be a yes. A couple of dogs actually checked up here because this is open. We had no indications under here at all. The dogs worked really well back to source. Some dogs worked it off of the lock and this opening here, and a few dogs picked it up on this side where there's also a small opening for another pipe. So anything that the dogs bracketed on either side of this inaccessible hide in the cabinet was a yes. Moving further down, we had 3 toys in our search area as distractors. The second hide was here on the gate of the white fence, tucked into the bottom hinge. This presented really nicely. Odor was actually collecting all around here. Dogs were catching it on the step and working it back this way, or coming out even a little bit further and then catching that hide either before or after they caught the third hide, which was an elevated inaccessible hide that was tucked deep under a board at the back of this platform. The dogs did a beautiful job of sourcing on either side of this post, really getting in there nice and deep. We did have a bit of a wide yes zone, so anything underneath here on either side was considered to be a yes. Several dogs actually worked odor from the outside and went up here, working odor that was probably coming through the seam down here. Dogs worked here and then went right inside the booth to source the hide. There was a bench back here that was clear. You see here are the boundary markers. Nothing along the wooden fence or the gate. We had some beautiful searching, a nice Q rate today. It was a beautiful day, some nice wind, lovely sunshine, and a great group of competitors that stuck it out until the end of the day. Well done, everyone.